Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks about integration. I'll be solving some problems for you and I'll be explaining it. Remember, we can understand mathematics. It's not about memorizing. So we can understand. You just be with me. I'm sure I'll be explaining all the problems and you will be understanding it. I'm sure you will be understanding each and every problem. So okay, if you want to understand mathematics, please watch my videos. I'm sure I'll make you understand. So question number 1, x times square root of x plus 1 dx. Okay, to solve this type of problem, always remember whatever is inside the root you write first. X plus 1 as it is. Okay, now but we need only x, so we have to add constants or subtract constants to balance this. So plus 1 is here, we don't need here plus 1, so we write here minus 1. Now write here x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so now let's multiply this. Consider this as one term, so we can write here x plus 1 times x plus 1 and 1 by 2, multiplying these two. Okay, so integration dx, now multiply with 1, so these two, so minus 1 and x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. So now as base is same, so we can add the power, so x plus 1 a power raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 dx, and this is simply x plus 1 power 1 by 2 dx. Now this is going to be 2 plus 1 3 by 2, so x plus 1 power raised to 3 by 2 minus x plus 1 power raised to 1 by 2 dx. So now simply we have the answer. Now integrate this. How to integrate this? X plus 1 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus here, so it is simply x plus 1 power raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1. I'm just using plus c constant, so just I have used here a basic formula for integration. So it is going to be here 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2, so it is here 2 by 5 x plus 1 power raised to 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 3 by 2 3 by 2, and here it will be 2 by 3 plus c. This is our answer. Okay, hope you understood this. And now if you have any confusion, still be with me. I'll be solving another problem also and hope it will be more clear in that question. Okay, let's move to question number 2. So it's not difficult, just you need to practice a number of times. And so remember whatever I told. To balance, we use only addition or subtraction of constant. Only we use multiplication or division by constant. Okay, this is what I'm following. Let's solve. Let's see question number 2. Let's try solve. First one, number 2. It is here x times square root of ax plus b integration dx. So this can be written as here x and ax plus b or 1 by 2 dx. Okay, now as before, first you write whatever is inside the root or whatever is in the base, so ax plus b. Okay, now and just copy other part here, so ax plus b power raised to 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so now integration sign is there, but we need only x. To get x, what should I do? I have to divide by a, so that a and a will be cancelled and they will get here x only. But after multiplication we'll get here b by a, but we don't need b by a, so we'll subtract like this, so that we'll be getting answer here. Let's write in curly bracket or big bracket. Now let's simplify. So it is going to be 1 by a and simply 1 plus 1 by 2. So as before we can write here ax plus b and here 1 and 1 by 2, so 1 plus 1 by 2 dx. Now b by a will be outside, and again here ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 dx. So how can we do? Let's integrate this. So it is here 1 by a, and this is going to be 3 by 2 ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 dx. So what I have done, I have just multiplied these two and then these two. Minus b by a, integration ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so now just use formula for this. So 1 by a is there outside. Integration for this will be ax plus b and increase power by 1. So it is here 3 by 2 plus 1, and here a times 3 by 2 plus 1. Remember, this a will come down, and minus b by a times it will be ax plus b power is to 1 by 2 plus 1. A times this comes down, so a 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So final answer will be, so a is already here, so it is 1 by a square, and ax plus b whole power 5 by 2, and this is here 5 and 3 plus 2 5 by 2, and so it will be here 2 by 3, and so 2 by 5 we can write here or here 5 by 2, and then minus here minus b by a square, and then remaining will be ax plus b power 1 plus 2 3 by 2, and base will be here 2 by 3 plus c. And so after this you can write here the final answer will be, so let me write here final answer. So final answer will be, therefore we can write 2 will go up, so 2 by 5 a square ax plus b whole power 5 by 2 minus 3 by 3b by 2a square and ax plus b 3 power raised to 3 by 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Hope you understood this. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. You can write in comment also, so that I can help you. I'm always there to help you. I'm solving many more problems for you. Now the topic is here for today's. The topic is integration. I'm solving question number 2. Now let's see here 3. So into the question, so just see at the question 2x plus 2x times 2x plus 3 dx. Okay, so this can be written as before. So you just see here, first you write the number inside the root, so here 2x plus 3, but we need only 2x, so I'll write here minus 3, and then 2x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Now it is going to be, just multiply this, so 2x plus 3 power will be 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 dx minus 3 outside, it is here 2x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 dx. So integration of this is simply here 2x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 plus 1, and 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2 into 2, because of this 2, remember, minus 3, and then 2x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 2, this 2 comes plus c. So 2 and 2 cancel, so 3 and 3 cancel, so we have here 2 cancel, so answer is 1 by 5, 2x plus 3, 5 by 2 minus 2x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That's your answer. And if you practice, if you do many more questions, you'll be able to solve the problems just within seconds also. It will take a very short time to solve the problems. It's because of practice. Question number 4. The question is here 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 1 and 1 power 2 power is 1 by 2. Okay, let's solve this. As before, the same rule I'm going to use. Write the base first. 3x plus 1. Okay, So now we have to get here 2x. So first you remove this, divide by 3. So 3 is removed. Now we need 2, so multiply by 2. So this is what we are doing here. So now after multiplication, what do we get here? Remember the first step, you always write the base here first, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. So now we try to balance first x. So how can we balance this? So first you remove this 3, so divide by 3. So to get 2x to multiply by 2, you are getting here how much here? 2 by 3. But we need here 3. So okay, 2 by 3 we have, and we need 3. So how to get that? Suppose a, we have to add. So what can be done here? A will be obtained by 3 minus 2 by 3. It is simply 9 by 9 minus 2 means 7 by 3. So you have to add here 7 by 3. Once again check here. This is 2x and 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 by 3. So it is correct. Now 3x plus 1 power raised to 1 by 2. So this is how we can do rough also, and we can write the answer direct. Now, so just multiply this. So 2 by 3 will be outside, and 3x plus 1. Here power is 1 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. Just writing direct. So you can do, if you have confusion, you can do stepwise. So 7 by 3 outside, and then integration of 3x plus 1, 1 by 2 dx. Now use the formula 2 by 3. Here it will be 3x plus 1 power is to 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2. Here it is 5 by 2 plus 7 by 3 into 3x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Don't forget to write here into 3 into 3, because of this 3 and this 3 will come here plus c. So now see what we are getting here. This 2 will go up. So it will be 4 by 9 into 5, 45 times 3x plus 1 whole power 5 by 2. Now it's the simplification you can do by yourself. 29 in 9 into 3, 27. It is here 14 by 27. 3x plus 1 power is to 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, hope you have understood. Let me solve another question for you. It's number 5. So just remember what I told here. Once again I'm repeating. If you have to solve this in a very short time, just we did 4 number, now move to 5 number. So remember, always put the number inside the root outside, or the number in the base, and balance by adding or subtracting just constant, okay, or dividing by or multiplying by constant. Okay, so next question is here 5x plus 3 times 4x plus 1. We can write here power raised to 1 by 2 dx. So what we can do here as before, write here first 4x plus 1. Okay, we need 5x to multiply by 5 by 4. 4 cancel, we get here 5. Now we are getting here 5 by 4. Again, see here 5 by 4, but we need 3. So let's add here a. So what should be a? So 3 minus 5 by 4. It is simply 12 minus 5 means 7 by 4. So we have to add here 7 by 4. So see here, once again 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. 5 and 7, 12 by 4 is 3. So this is what we need to add. This is how we can solve. So 4x plus 1 power is 1. So 1 by 2 dx. Simply it is going to be 5 by 4 outside. So 4x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 dx plus 7 by 4 integration 4x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. So now integration will be simply 4x plus 1 plus 1 means 5 by 2. So it is 5 by 4 into 2 by 5 plus 7 by 4. It will be 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. 4x plus 1 power 3 by 2. But remember, this 4 will also divide the base. This 4 should be there. 4 should be there. Don't forget to write this. This is what most of the students are doing mistake. This is the mistake most of the students are doing. This is the mistakes most of us will do. So be careful while writing this. So it is going to be, so here it is 2. So 5 and 5 cancel. So it is 1 by 8 4x plus 1 of power raised to 5 by 2 plus it is going to be here 2 to the 4. So 6 4 the 24, 7 by 24 times 4x plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 3. Further also we can simplify, we can take common and then further we can simplify. Then you can do by yourselves or this much also, that's fine. Let's move to question number 6. Now, so my dear students, please remember one thing. How can we solve the problems, this type of problems in just few seconds or few minutes? It depends upon your practice. Okay, so let me solve and explain for you. X plus 2 by integration x plus 1 under root sign, that means square root of x plus 1 dx. So what can be done here? Same as before, you write like this, x plus 2. So it can be done as here 1x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so express the given function in terms of product form. So now we can write here as before, x plus 1 plus 1, because 1 plus 1 will be 2. It's so easy. And then x plus 1 power is 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. Let's solve this. It's very easy. And if you understand, it is going to be interesting. So it is going to be here x plus 1 power 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 dx plus x plus 1 power minus 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so it is going to be here x plus 1 by formula 3 by 2, 2 by 3 here, and then plus, it is plus 1 means x plus 1 power plus 1 means it is 1 by 2, it is 2, and plus c. That's our answer. Okay, so it's very simple. You just need to practice. Remember the tips and tricks that I have given you. Remember the formulas, and another way is the practice. Okay, if you practice, we can do just within seconds, in very less time. Number 7. Question number 7 is here 3x plus 2 whole divided square root of 5x plus 3. So no worry, this can be also solved. Let's solve together. So just write here first 3x plus 2 times here 5x plus 3. Bring this in numerator, so its power will be minus 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so as before, balance 3x. So first we have to write here the base. So base is 5x plus 3, 5x plus 3, but we need here 3x, so write here 3 by 5, 5 cancel, and then we'll get here 3x, but we'll be getting here 9 by 5, but we need how much? 2. So 9 by 5, if we write here 1 by 5, so we'll be getting here 5x plus 3 power raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. So 1 by 5, so 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 5 means 2. That's your answer. So as before also, you can do rough and write here. If you are confident, you can just write direct also. So now let's simplify this. So 5x plus 3 power is 2 1, and here minus 1, so it is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, you can write here 1 by 2 direct. So 1 by 2 dx plus 1 by 5 integration 5x plus 3 power is 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. So let's use the formula for this. Formula is simply 5x plus 3, and plus 1 means 1 plus 1 by 2 means here 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 2 by 3. Remember, this 5 will come down, this 5 plus 1 by 5. Again here 5x plus 3 power is to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means 1 by 2, and then here it will be 2 by 1, but remember this 5 will come down, so 5 plus c is your answer. So how much is this? So it is 3 and 3 cancel, so it is here 2 by 25, 5x plus 3 power raised to 3 by 2 plus here 2 by again here 25 power raised to 5x plus 3 power raised to 1 by 2 plus c. It's a simplification, and I hope you are understanding this. And if you have any confusion, if you like this video, if you have confusion, please write it in comment box so that I can help you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share this among your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, write your comment also so that I can upload many more videos for you. Question number 8. 2x plus 3 times here divide 3x plus 1 power is to 3 by 2 dx. This is the problem. So as before, let's change this in a product form. Bring this in numerator. So 3x plus 1 power is to, it will be minus 3 by 2 dx. So now as before, let's balance this. So write first the base. 3x plus 1, we get here 2x, right here 2 by 3, very simple. So 3 and 3 cancel, 2x, we have now 2 by 3, but we need here 3. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 6. 6 by 3 is 2 by 3. So sorry, 2 by 3 will get here, and plus what should be there, we don't know. So right here it is going to be here 7 by 3. So I show you. So it is just, we need here 3. So a equals how much? 3 minus 2 by 3. So 9 minus 2 is 7 by 3. Okay, so you can do direct also. Simplify this. Now we have the answer. The base is 3x plus 1 minus 3 by 2 in power. Okay, so now what we are getting here, 2 by 3 integration sign 3x plus 1. If we multiply this as before, so we'll be getting here 1 minus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2, so you'll be getting here 2 minus 3 means minus 1 by 2. So it will be in power, so minus 1 by 2 dx. The next one, so 7 by 3 integration sign 3x plus 1 and power minus 3 by 2 dx. So let's write the formula. So it is going to be 3x plus 1 plus 1 means 1 by 2. So it is here 2 by 3 into 2 by 1, and this 3 will come down. Remember this, don't forget to write this. This is the common mistake most of the students are doing. So into again here 3x plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So it will be here minus 1 by 2, and here it is going to be right here, just change the sign so that minus 2 by 1 into 3. This 3 will come in plus c. That's our answer. So just simplify this and write it. 4 by 9, 3x plus 1, 1 by 2 minus here 14 by 9, 3x plus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2. So we can bring this in denominator also, or this is your final answer. Hope you are getting this, or hope you are understanding this. And if you have any confusion, if you don't understand, please little bit, you can watch the video and solve and try to understand and solve and understand and solve, so you can slowly solve also. Question number 9, maybe if it is going to be fast, so you can pause the video and slowly you can solve by yourself. So the next question is 3x plus 4 all divide x plus 1 dx. So as before, we'll change this in product form. 3x plus 4 times will be x plus 1, power will be minus 1 by 2 dx. So as before, we'll write here first base. Now what do we need here? 3x, so write 3. Now we'll have 3x, so but 3 we need here 4, so I add here 1. It's very easy. X plus 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. So just multiply as before, so multiply these two and then this 2. Okay, so that will be getting here 3 outside, x plus 1, x plus 1, 1 and minus 1 by 2 power is here, so it is 1 by 2 dx plus integration of x plus 1 power is 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. So by formula we get here 3, power will be x plus 1 means 3 by 2, so 2 by 3 will be there, plus here x plus 1 power will be 1 by 2, so 2 by 1 plus c, so that will be getting answer as 2 times x plus 1, 3 by 2 in power, 2 times x plus 1 power is to 1 by 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Okay, hope you are understanding this. If you think it is little bit fast, so you can do or pause the video and you can do little bit slowly also. Let me do another question. So, and it's all of because of practice. It's all because of practice. My dear students, if you practice a number of times, you can do even faster than me. Okay, so let's see the last question. So next question is here, 2x plus 1 whole divided 3x plus 2 square root and then dx as before. So 2x plus 1, let's change this in product form. So that will get here 2x plus 1 times 2x 3x plus 2 power is 2 minus 1 by 2 and dx. So that will, as before, let's balance and then first write 3x plus 2 the base. Now we get 2, so 2 by 3 right here and plus. So let's try to write direct here. Okay, so we'll get here 4 by 3, but we need here 1, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 we need here 1, so 4 by 3, so what should we write here, 4 by 3 there, but we need here 1, so 4 by 3, so minus 1 by 3. So let's see here how we are getting this. We are getting by multiplication, we'll get here 4 by 3, but we need here 1, so what should be added there, a, so a equals how much, 1 minus 4 by 3, so it is going to be 3 minus 4 by 3, answer is minus 1 by 3. Okay, and then that can be done easily. So now we have the answer, 3x plus 2 times power minus 1 by 2 dx. So as before, let's write here 2 by 3, power will be 1, here 1 and minus 1 by 2 means 3x plus 2, power will be 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 outside, 3x plus 2, power is 2 minus 1 by 2 and dx. By using formula, we'll be getting here 2 by 3, 3x plus 2 and plus 1 means here 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2, here 2 by 3 and this 3 because of this 3 minus 1 by 3, 3x plus 2 times, we're getting here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means 1 by 2, so it is here 2 by 1 and this 3 will be also down, this 3 plus c, that's your answer. So how much we are getting here, 4 by 27 times 3x plus 2 power is to 3 by 2 plus 2 by 9 power is to 3, sorry, times 3x plus 2 power is to 1 by 2, or root also you can write here. That's your answer. Hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion, please share with me, write in comment box, or I have given my links in the video in description, so you can mail me also. I have given my email ID also there. I have forwarded you my Facebook ID there, so you can email or send message to me so that I can help you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for encouraging me. If you want to watch my previous videos, I have shared the link in the description. You can go there and watch my previous videos. Okay, so let's see, and let me solve you the problems for you. Question number 11. Okay, the first question is here, dx by x plus 1 square root of x plus 1 minus x. It's very simple. So how do we solve this? To solve this type of problem which involves root, you will start with rationalization. So it will be here x plus 1 in numerator minus root x. By rationalization, you'll be getting here x plus 1 minus root x. So it is here by plus multiply up and down. So times x plus 1 minus root x. So minus here, so we'll multiply by plus by its conjugate. So that we'll be getting here in numerator x plus 1 power is to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 2 dx, and simply it is going to be x plus 1 minus x. So it's cancelled. We'll get here simply integration x plus 1 power is to 1 by 2 dx minus x power 1 by 2 dx, and its answer will be simply here 2 by 3 times x plus 1 power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 times x power 3 by 2 plus c. That's your answer. Okay, so just one step more we have done here. We have used the method of rationalization. Okay, so by conjugate you multiply up and down, and then in denominator we can use the formula a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Squaring the root means we'll get here root will be removed, we'll simply get x plus 1. This is what I have done. Let me do another problem and explain it for you. So question number 12. See here, question number 12 is question 12 number. So the question is dx whole divided x plus a square root minus x minus b. Simply as before also, as by rationalization we will be getting here x plus a plus x minus b by x plus a minus x plus b. Because of this minus sign will be changed here, it is dx. So what we are getting here, so this x and x cancel, so simply the constant is a plus b, so we can write here a plus b outside. Now integration will be x plus a power raised to 1 by 2 dx plus x minus b power raised to 1 by 2 dx, and then we have the answer 1 by a plus b outside, and integration for this will be x plus a power plus 1 means 3 by 2, here it will be 2 by 3 plus again here 2 by 3 x minus b power 3 by 2, and at last plus c. This is the constant of integration. So remember what I am doing here. I have used formula x power n dx. Integration of this is here. Note this is the formula I am using here. X to the power x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is what I have done. This is the formula I am using here. Okay. Let's see question number 13. Question number 13. So it's all because of your practice, my dear students. You practice a number of times so that you will be solving like this also. You can solve within just second. 13 number. Question number 13. dx by it is a 2x plus 1 times minus 2x minus 3. Okay. So by rationalization we'll be getting here 2x plus 3. 2x plus 1 by power 1 by 2 plus here 2x minus 3 power 1 by 2. That's changing root as power. So it is here simply 2x plus 1 by rationalization we'll be getting here minus, so it will be here minus and then minus 2x minus minus plus is 3. So 2x cancel. We have this now 3 plus 1, it is 4. It's constant outside. It is going to be 2x plus 1 integration dx power is to 1 by 2 plus integration of 2x minus 3 power is to 1 by 2 dx. So by integration we'll be getting here 1 by 4 outside. This is here 2x plus 1 by formula 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2, and here we'll be getting here 3 by 2 into 2. This 2 will come down, so 2 and 2 cancel. So again same thing here, 2x minus 3 power 1 by 2 plus 1 means it is 3 by 2, and then it is going to be 3 by 2 into 2. This 2 will come down, remember, and then plus c. So how much we are getting here? 1 by 3. So it is here 1 by 12 outside, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 1 power is to 3 by 2 plus 2x minus 3 power is to 3 by 2 plus c as constant, integration constant. Hope you are understanding this. So now I'll be solving the next question. So if you think it is going to be faster, and then you can pause this video and do by yourself. Question number 14, and by practice you can do as I'm solving, so you can do it faster also. It's all because of your practice. So dx by here x minus a minus x minus b. So by rationalization, so multiply up and down by x minus a plus x minus b. Okay, so that you'll be getting here x minus a plus x minus b. So we are getting here x minus a whole power 1 by 2 plus x minus b whole power 1 by 2 in numerator, and this is, and denominator will be getting here, it is simply x minus a minus x and plus b minus plus b. So what we are getting here, see here x and x cancel, so we are getting here b minus a. So right here b minus a1 by b minus a, and then integration for this will be here simply x minus a whole power 3 by 2 by 2 3 by 2 plus x minus b power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 and outside c. So it is going to be 2 by 3 b minus a times x minus a power 3 by 2 plus x minus b power 3 by 2, it is plus c is constant. It is similar to previous question number 12. So hope you understood this. Now I'm going to solve another question for you, and all the other questions are based on trigonometric functions. So hope you remember the formula. So for trick is here, one trick for you. So if you result start with c, so integration will be negative. Integration will be negative. It means here, so integration of sine x is cos x, and it, as I start with c here, so it will be minus plus c. And once another question also, suppose you have to integration of cosec square x. So just I'm recalling this cosec square x. So it is here cot x. So it start with c. So it will be here again negative plus c. These are the formula. Hope you remember the formula. If you forget, so first you memorize the formula and then you can solve the problem. Let me solve for you. Question number 15. It's very simple. Integration of sine 5x dx. So the formula is here. The formula, integration of sine ax plus b dx will be simply sine cos minus cos ax plus b, and this a will come in base, a will divide, so that's answer. So it is here minus cos 5x by 5 plus c, finished. This is our formula. So similarly we can do 16 numbers here, say 15 and then 16 also. So answer I have written here, no need to do 16 number. This is 16 number actually, this is actually formula, but we can write direct here. Okay, this is the formula. So number 17, let's move to 17. So number 17, cos, integration of cos ax square cos ax square, cos a square x, here it should be a square x, cos a square x plus b dx. So we can simply write here integration of cos is here, formula right here, cos ax plus b integration, and dx. So it will be formula is here according to formula sine, integration of course is sine ax plus b, but that this a will divide this a will be s plus c answer. So our answer will be simply noted is here ax square. We will solve this type of problem in next. I'll be solving in next video for this type of problems if x is in the form of a square, or if the angle is in the form of quadratic function or other function. So I'll be solving for that. So simply it will be here sine a square x plus b by a square plus c. That's your answer. So now for 18 number, just simply use the formula 18. See here 18. The question is sec square 2x plus 3 plus c. So the formula is sec. For sec square x, we have formula 10 2x plus 3, and then this 2 will come down, this 2 will be down, plus 2. So actually formula is here indication of sec square ax plus b dx is formula 10 ax plus b divided by the coefficient of x. This is the formula. Okay, hope you understood this, hope you are getting this. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me, you can write in the comment box so that I can help you. So now let's move to question number 19. Question number 19, here it is sine square ax dx. So in this type of problem, what do we do? For this we write here sine square means 1 minus cos 2ax by 2. So I'm just using one formula here. Sine square a is simply 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So remove this square. If there is cube, you remove this. You have to change this in terms of angle. We have to use some formulas so that it will be changed into angle. Now we can separate this, which is simply 1 by 2 outside, and integration of dx minus integration of cos 2ax dx. So now by using formula we'll have the answer. So 1 by 2 integration of dx is x, and now integration of cos 2ax means sine 2ax by 2, and plus c is your answer. Hope you understood this. Let me solve another question, question number 20 for you. Hope you are understanding this. If you understood this, if you like this video, don't forget to share this among your friends. Question number 20, it is here cos square bx dx. So as before, we have again formula for cos square. It is here 1 plus cos 2bx by 2. In cos it is positive, in case of sine it is negative dx. So it is going to be 1 by 2, and here just multiply this. So integration of dx plus integration of cos 2bx, and then it will be here simply. So it is going to be here and dx. So how much is this? So it is going to be, so 1 by 2 x plus integration of cos is here simply sine 2bx by 2b, and then plus c. In before, in sine also in previous comes also. I think here for 19 number, if you remember the answer, it will be simply here as before 19 also. So you can write here 19 number is 1 by 2, answer will be simply in that case also. So 1 by 2 in that case here simply x minus 2ax will be there, so sine 2ax by 2a. So this is going to be answer in case of 19. This is your answer in case of 19. So remember this 2 will be dividing, this 2a, all the coefficient of x will be dividing the numerator will be divided by the coefficient of x. 2a will be there, 1 by 2 x minus sine 2ax by 2a, the coefficient of x will divide that. So in case of 19 also, you have to follow the same process. Just in case of 20 it is plus, in case of 19 it will be minus, as I told you. Okay, so question number 20 is this. Now let me solve another question for you. Question number 20 we have already done. Now we'll move to question number 21. So it is here 10 square ax dx. We don't have the formula for 10 square x, but we'll change like this. 10 square x means sec square ax minus 1. So now we have the formula for sec square x. So it is here sec square ax dx minus dx. So we have formula for sec square is here 10 ax by a minus x plus c. Next. Now see question number 22. Okay, so question number 22, integration of sine power 4 x dx. So we can write like this: sine square x whole square and dx. So it can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and whole square is there, so it will be here whole square dx. Again we can write this as 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x by 4 integration dx. This can be written as 1 minus cos 2 cos 2x 1 by 4 outside integration. So right here, let's write like this: 1 by 4 integration, and then 1 minus 2 cos 2x. For this again we can write the formula. So it is here 1 plus cos 4x by 2, and then dx. Now if you take LCM, so it is going to be here, so 2 here 1 by 8 times 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 to the 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x and dx. So now we can easily integrate this, so that it will be 1 by 8, and it is 3x, and then here 4 sine 2x by 2 plus sine 4x by 4 at last c. So that our final answer will be, so let me write here, so our final answer will be, integration of this will be, let's take here LCM, so 1 by 32 times 4 3 are 12 x, and 2 2 are here 4, so 4 2 are 8 sine 2x plus sine 4x plus c. This is our final answer. Hope you understood this. And just see here, I have used the formula for cos sine square x, and then because of whole square I have just written here whole square and then simplified. Now let's see question number 23. Another question. So similarly we can solve this cos 4 nx dx. Similarly we can write here 1 by integration cos 4 means cos 1 plus, right here cos, this can be written as cos square nx and whole square dx. So we can write here 1 plus 2 cos nx, and then plus cos square nx means again we can write 1 plus cos 2 nx here, and 2 is a 4 nx by 2. We can write this 1 by 4 will be here outside. Hope you understand this. And then dx, just I have this I have just simplified as previous, so it is going to be here 1 by 8 integration, it is 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 to the 4 cos 2 nx, and then here again cos 4nx and dx. Now let's write the formula so that you'll be getting here 1 by 8 and 3x plus 4 sine 2nx by 2n. 2 I cancel, we can cancel this. So then here it will be sine 4nx by 4n plus c. So it is going to be, if you simplify this, so our answer will be, similarly we can write here, the answer will be question number, so answer is, so it is going to be, here we can write 32, 1 by 32n, and then 4 3s are 12, 12nx plus 4 2s are 8 sine 2nx plus sine 4nx plus c. This is our answer. So hope you have understood what actually I did here. I have written cos power 4x nx as cos square nx and whole square. For this we have the formula 1 plus cos 2a. So 1 plus cos 2a by 2 and the square means 4 I have written here. So it is here 1 plus cos 2a whole square is again there. So 1 plus 2 cos 2nx, and here it will be cos square 2nx, but again I have used formula for that. So 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So after taking LCM we have this answer. So hope you understood this. So let me solve another question. Question number here now 24. Let's move for 24. Question 24 is here like 1 by sine square x cos square x dx. So for this is the typical problem. So you for one substitute the formula. So it is here sine square x plus cos square x by sine square x cos square x dx, and let's separate this. So you will get here sine square x by sine square x cos square x dx plus cos square x dx by sine square x cos square x. So cos square sine square cancel. It is here sec square x dx plus this is 1 by cosec square x dx. And now for sec square x we have the formula. So it is here 10x for cosec square x minus cot x plus c. This is our answer. Okay, so this is question number 24. Now I'll be moving to question number 25. Question number 25, and it is here 1 by sec square x and times tan square x dx. We have to integrate this. So as before, we can solve this also. Hope you are getting this. If you have any confusion, please. So for this one, we can write here sec square x minus tan square x by sec square x tan square x and dx is here. Okay. Now as before, separate this. So sec square x dx by sec square x tan square x, and then minus tan square x dx by sec square x tan square x. And you can see these two terms can be cancelled from limit and enter. So it is here cot square x dx minus sec square means cos square x dx. Again we can change this. Cot square means it is here cosec square x dx minus 1. So dx minus for cos square we can write here formula 1 plus cos 2 1 plus, so it is here dx and minus cos 2a 2 plus cos 1 plus cos 2a by 2 and by 2. This is the formula. Just I have used formula for cos square. It is here 1 plus cos 2a. Because of this minus, both are negative here. So for this we can have cos x square means minus cot x minus x by 2 minus here cos formula is here. Formula for cos x dx is sine 2x by 2 into 2 plus c. So our answer will be minus cot x minus 3x by 2 minus here sine 2x by 4 plus c. This is our answer. You are getting this? If you have any confusion, please write it in comment so that I can help you, or you can mail me. I have given my email ID, also my Facebook ID in the description, so you can go there and write your comment, your feelings, whatever queries you have, you can ask me, you can share with me. Now let's move to question number 26. Question number 26. Integration of square root of 1 plus cos n x dx. No worry, we can easily integrate this. So for this, remember formula 1 plus cos 2a means 2 cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a. So for 1 plus cos a, it will be 2 cos square a by 2. This is what I'm going to write. So if I use this formula, we'll have here 2 cos square nx by 2 square root and dx. Okay, so now let's simplify this. So root 2 outside, and we can write here integration of cos nx by 2 dx. And now we have the formula for cos. Root 2 times cos means sine nx by 2 by n by 2 plus c. So it is going to be 2 root 2 by n sine nx by 2 plus c. This is our answer. Okay, so let's move to question number 27. Hope you are getting this. My dear students, it's all about the practice. So it's all about the techniques that are given to you. 27 number. If you practice all the rules that are given to you, all the techniques that are taught to you, and if you practice a number of times, you can do in very short time. Okay, so let me solve another question for you. 27 number. As before, it is here 1 minus cos px and dx. No worry, again we have formula for this integration. 1 minus cos 2a means 2 sine square a, so dx. So as before, we'll be getting here root 2 outside and integration of sine px by 2 dx. So for this, we have the formula root 2, integration of sine is negative, so it is here minus cos px by 2 whole divide p by 2 plus c. So it is going to be minus 2 root 2 by p, it is here 2, and then cos px by 2 plus c. Note here I have used this formula 1 minus cos 2a equals 2 sine square a. Also you can write here 1 minus cos a equals 2 sine square a by 2. This is the formula I have used. So, and if you use this formula and simplify easily, you have the answer. Okay, so let me solve another question for you. Question number 28. Question number 28. Let's see here. Question number 28. Question number 28 here. 28. Square root of integration of square root of 1 plus sine 2ax dx. Okay, so let's simplify. First, what should you do is, the first step is you remove this square root. So what can be done here? So let's try to use some formulas by some technique. Try to express the number inside the root as whole square. So what can be done here? I'm writing here one formula sine square ax plus cos square ax, because sine square a plus cos square a is 1. So now square root is there, so as it is, just copy, and for this we can use formula sine 2a formula. 2 sine a cos a. Now dx is there, so now what we can do here, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here formula sine ax plus cos ax whole square, and there is over root. So dx, it is here simply sine ax dx plus integration of cos ax dx, and its formula easily we can integrate this. So sine means negative, cos ax by a plus integration of cos is plus, so sine ax by a plus c. That's your answer. Okay, so if you are getting this, and if you have any confusion, so please share with me. Write write your queries or your confusion in comment box so that I can help you. So we have done 27, now 28, and then 29. We did also 28. So my dear students, if you practice a number of times, that is going to help you. The hard work you will do, that will help you. Many more times practice and practice. There is no other way. 1 by 1 plus cos mx dx. We are going to integrate this. So what can be done here? So as before, we can write formula for this. 1 plus cos 2m is 2 cos square a. Formula is 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2m is 2 cos square a. So for 1 plus cos a, we'll write here. See here, angle is being half, so it is 2 cos square a by 2. This is the formula I'm using. Okay, now after using this formula, so 1 by 2 outside, and 1 by cos square means sec square mx by 2 dx. Now we have the formula for sec square, so 1 by 2 outside, sec square means 10. It is integration of 10 mx by 2 whole divide m by 2 plus c. So we can write here 1 by 2 means 2 by m, so 2 and 2 cancel here, so it is 1 by m 10 mx by 2 plus c. That's our answer. Okay, so my dear students, you remember the formulas and properly use them, you will be getting the correct answer. 30, number 30. And if you like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, I request you, please subscribe my channel, share among your friends, your circle, and help me by sharing. You can help me. 1 minus cos nx dx. As before, we'll get answer. Let's simplify. Again, we can write formula for this. It is power minus, it is here 2 sine square nx by 2 dx. So if we simplify, we'll be getting our answer. Now you know the way, so you can proceed by yourself also. And so sine square means cosec square nx by 2 dx. Integration for cosec square is here simply cosec square means minus cot nx by 2 whole divide n by 2 plus c. So 2 and 2 cancelled here, so it is here minus 1 by n cot nx by 2 plus c. That's your answer. If you are getting this, and if you have any confusion, please share with me, write in comment box, and please watch this video till end. You'll be getting many more information, many more ideas. 31, question number 31, 1 by, it is here 1 by sine, 1 minus sine ax and dx. So how can we solve this problem? Very simple. In this case, we'll use, we can't have the formula for, we don't have the formula for this, so we'll try to rationalize this. So by rationalization, 1 plus sine ax, we'll be getting here a plus b minus b, so it will be 1 minus sine square ax dx, and it gives here 1 plus sine ax by 1 minus sine square means cos square ax dx. And let's separate this, so 1 by cos square means sec square ax dx plus Sine by cos tan ax, and then 1 by cos means sec ax dx, and we have the formula for the sec square. Indication for sec square is tan ax. Don't forget to write this uh, constant, that the coefficient of x in numerator, the formula, and for this sec x tan x means it is formula of sec ax by a plus c. We can write here a is common, so a tan ax plus sec ax plus c. That's our answer. Hope you are getting this, hope you are understanding this, and you are enjoying this video. So once again, I request you all, please share this video among your friends, like and subscribe my channel, also comment. Okay, so another question, I'm solving it for you. Sine 6x cos 2x dx. Okay, so what we can do here, just in case of trigonometry, many more times we'll be using trigonometric formulas. So for this we can write like this: 1 by 2 sine 6x cos 2x and dx. Now we know one formula in this form, so 2 sine a cos b, and the formula is 2 sine a cos b means sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. This is a formula. Okay, so we'll be getting here 1 by 2, and by this formula we'll be getting here sine integration sine a plus b means 8x plus sine a minus b means sine 4x and dx. So we can write here 1 by 2 integration. So let's simplify. Now we have the answer. Just separate this. So 1 by 2 outside, and now integration sine 8x dx plus sine 4x dx. Now we know the formula here. So 1 by 2, and integration of sine is, it is sine here. Sine is cos, it is negative. Cos 8x by 8 minus cos 4x by 4 plus c. So if you simplify, you'll be getting answer as here minus comes, so minus 16, 1 by 16, and then here cos 8x minus, so minus plus 2 cos 4x plus c. That's our answer. Okay, so let's see another question. Question number 33. Question number 33. Question number 33. Sine, integration of sine 7x sine 5x dx. Again we have one formula for 2 sine a sine b. 2 sine a sine b. So formula is here. Let me write here 2 sine a sine b. For this we have formula. Remember that cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is the formula. This is typical formula, a little different. Another, so we'll have formula for this. So multiply and divide by 2, so it will be 1 by 2. So 1 2 outside, and we can write here cos a minus b means it is 2x minus cos a plus b means 12x and dx. If we separate this, we'll be getting answer. So 1 by 2, and integration of cos is sine 2x by 2 minus sine 12x by 12 plus c, and by taking LCM we'll be getting here 1 by 24, 6 sine 2x minus sine 12x plus c. That's our answer. Now let's move to question number 34. 34, second last for today. So 34, question number 34, here it is. 34 is sine, integration of sine 6x cos 8x dx. Okay, so we can write like this here, 1 by 2 cos 8x sine 6x dx. Again we have formula like this, so formula is 2 cos a sine b, and the formula is sine a plus b minus sine plus b minus sine a minus b. Okay, so by this formula I'll be getting here 1 by 2 integration a plus b means sine 6 plus 8 14x minus sine 8 minus 6 is 2x and then dx. So integrate, so 1 by 2 outside, integration of sine is minus cos 14x by 14 and minus again here minus cos 2x by minus plus 2 plus c. So our answer is going to be, the final answer will be here 1 by 28, and we can write 1 by 28, so it is here 7 cos 2x minus cos 14x plus c. That's our answer. So now let's move to question number 35, last question for today, question number 35. So hope you are understanding this, and if you practice a number of times, if you carefully solve the problem, if you focus on solving the problems, I'm sure you will be solving all the problems one by one. So, and by practice you can increase your speed. Okay, so last question for today, cos px cos qx dx. My dear students, so again as before, let's write here multiply and divide by 2, so 2 cos px cos qx dx, and the formula is here, that the formula that I'm going to use is here 2 cos a cos b. Formula for this is here cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. By this formula I will be getting here 1 by 2 outside, integration, so cos a plus b means cos px plus qx plus cos px minus qx and dx. So what we can do here, by formula 2, 1 by 2 is outside. Now integration of cos is sine, so sine p plus q times x by p plus q. Again integration of cos is sine, so sine p minus q times x by p minus q plus c. That's your answer. This is our final answer. Hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion, any queries, please write it in comment.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.